Pakistan's deadly floods. 1.7 million acres of farmland underwater, including areas in the Punjab, the country's breadbasket. Some 20 million people have been affected, and for many the situation is getting worse, not better. Authorities warn the swollen Indus River may burst its banks again in the coming days. The UN said Tuesday many people in need haven't received help despite a growing international relief effort. UNICEF's regional director, Daniel TOOLE, told a news conference his organization is providing water to 1.5 million people a day, but that's not nearly enough.
It's probably not even a sixth of the people who need emergency water supply and need clean water. So that needs to be scaled up. The World Food Program is feeding over 1 million people a day. Huge accomplishment and not enough.
Unruly crowds around some aid distribution points and the desperate scrabble from people in more isolated areas to grab bags dropped from helicopters give some signs about the levels of desperation. Agencies and the British government have complained the international response to the disaster hasn't been generous enough. In one northwestern village where people were trying to camp out in the ruins of what had been their homes and were working to salvage whatever items they could, one woman complained about conditions and the lack of assistance.
There is no oil or any other food item. The government must help us by providing food and shelter. We don't even have a place to sit.
Back in the Punjab, one worry was medical care. A school may have been turned into a clinic, but facilities were bare bones for the pregnant patients. And health worker PARVEEN AKHTAR said there was a shortage of skilled staff as well.
There's no lady doctor here, no arrangements for delivery. We health visitors are working as lady doctors.
Agencies may be trying to offer help as best they can. The World Bank may be providing $900 million in assistance, and the U.S. ambassador may say she's not worried about extremists using the disaster to get a further foothold in Pakistan. But supporting the masses of people who've lost everything to the floodwaters remains an enormous challenge. Karen Sloan, The Associated Press.